Let's add some additional configurability to our work instructions to capture some measurement points to further error-proof our worker guidance. We have a set of instructions here to be able to adjust some brake pads and confirm that measurement so it's the right tolerance on the wheel. On this second step here, I can add another action that's going to indicate what we want to add in. In this case, I'm going to add in a measurement, which is a brake pad distance. We're going to be monitoring a unit of length. In this case, it's a distance in inches. I want to go between 3/4 of an inch and 8/10 of an inch to be able to do so. And we're going to be just typing this number in as needed from the operator. So when they get to this set of instructions, they'll be prompted for this measurement. They can't complete the build without entering this set of information. And it'll be error-proofed to be between that 3/4 of an inch and 8/10 of an inch. This way, I'm making sure that that number is being recorded appropriately. I have the ability to not allow this build to continue down the production line until that information is complete. And now I've registered that according to my specifications. If I need to really call out what that brake pad distance is, I can use additional tools. When I highlight text here, I can either link it to an external image or a set of PDFs. And when I say link to other media, it'll show me that I can select that drawing or image appropriately, or I can use this and highlight a section of that main image to be able to do so. And I'll do that by highlighting this confirm. When I highlight this main image, I can say that this is the entrance point that I am trying to measure. So now I've got a couple different ways to identify to those inexperienced folks exactly what that is, even without having to go into this measurement and start capturing information accordingly.